Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your Rodriguez Mamasagari channel. A faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo nang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na may pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. Okay, so this is something the Ten of Swords. Ngayong buwan na to, makakaranas ka ng paglaya, no? Na makakawala ka na from this betrayal. No? Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito, may mga tumatrador at may tatrador sa'yo. Kailangan mo na palayain yung sarili mo dyan, no? What is additional messages? So there's a Four of Pentacles for saving money. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo dito, no? Kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinangahawakan mo. Be assertiveness, no? Alam mo sa sarili mo dati yung grounds mo. There's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No? May mga bagay dito na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng pag-aani, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay paghihirap na pinagdaanan mo, ito na this is something the fruit of your labor. What is additional messages? And this is something the Three of Pentacles for collaboration, guys. No, communicate clearly. So, kailangan mo makipag-usap, makipagtalakay na maayos at wasto. No, kailangan ayusin mo yung transaction or pakikipag-communicate with other people. Let's see what is additional messages. Reference with the Sun card. There's something pure positive outcome na magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito. Kailangan mo na mag-pay attention sa lahat na nangyayari sa iyo. There's the Queen of Pentacles, just being practical. And there's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Know how to manage and control your money. No, sinasabi dito pangalagaan at protection at maging wise, no? At kumbaga magkaroon ka ng mature enough thinking and of course mature enough thoughts about sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. Let's see what is the Ten of Swords. Represent with the Seven of Swords. So there's a sneakiness cheating lying on you. So there's something betrayal talaga. No, some of you guys, niloloko ka, tinatrader ka, pinaglalaroan ka. No, mag-iingat ka dyan. What is the Four of Pentacles? Ibig sabihin dito, malalantad mo na talaga kung sino talaga yung mga taong traidor sa'yo. Sino talaga yung taong nanloloko sa'yo. And there's a Justice card. Karma is waving. So, pinabahagi dito na makukuha mo yung hustisya. No, makukuha mo talaga yung bagay na papabor talaga sa'yo. Pangalagaan mo at protection mo yung sarili mo dito. No, and there's an Eight of Swords. There's a lot of toxicities and negativities around you. No, alam mo sa sarili mo kung sino ang toxic, kung sino ang nagbibigay negatibo sa buhay mo, at nagbibigay ng hadlang para may sa kataparan mo kung ano man yung mga pinapangarap mo. The Three of Pentacles represent with the King of Wands, something vision. No, lagi mo pakakatandaan yung magiging outcome or magiging possibilities. Look at the bigger picture of yourself and something a vision. No, kumbaga, even your socialized transactions, no, communications, kailangan mo titingnan mo yung kalalabasan. No, tinatrader ba ako nito? Mayroon bang hidden agenda to? Kailangan alamin mo, no? Let's see what is the Sun card. The Sun card represent what? The Ten of Swords, the Ten of Wands, something burden. Na makakalaya ka na talaga dito from this burden situation, no? Kumbaga, sinakita mo yan kung paano mag-relocate or something na parang umalis ka dyan no? Parang lumipat ka ng trabaho or lumipat ka ng bahay, no? Kumbaga, naliwanagan ka na, natauhan ka na. Let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles. Represent with the Star card. There is something you wish for payment. So, ibig sabihin dito, mas, kumbaga, natupad mo yung mga pangarap mo dito at mas lalo ka ng natauhan, no? Kung paano mo kukontrolin and mamanage yung finances. The Ten of Swords sa Seven of Swords represent with the King of Swords. No, ibig sabihin putulin mo No, yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa iyo, especially pagdating sa love life and of course finances. No, tinrider ka, niloko ka, no? Nagsinungaling sa iyo. Putulin mo na to, wag ka na ulit magtitiwala. What is the Four of Pentacles? Because the Justice card. Represented with the Knight of Swords, there's a success driven. Na magtatagumpay ka dahil there's a something justice. No, may justisya. Huwag ka mag-alala, makukuha mo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. No, especially pagdating sa finances, kung niloko ka, no, or either parang binudol ka dito, na mayroong binenta sa'yo or something, or either guys, parang, kumbaga, in-scam ka dito, guys, no, kumbaga makukuha mo yung justisya. And there's a Seven of Pentacles because the Eight of Swords, represent with the Lovers. So, see, kumbaga mawala ka with the mawala ka dyan sa toxic, negative environment, guys. Especially with the toxic family, guys, no? Umalis ka dyan, hindi kayo mag-grow dyan. No? Parang ano yan, parang ka nagtanim ng isang binhi na masyadong, kumbaga, masyadong ano siya, kumbaga, buwagag or something, na alam mong hindi mabubuhay yung ano doon, yung itinanim. No? Parang ganoon. Para sinasabi sa'yo dito na dyan sa sitwasyon mo, punong-puno na negatibo. Hindi ka dyan mag-grow. Especially with your love life, no? There's something the Three of Pentacles is the King of Wands. Represented with the Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys nagkaroon ng financial loss, of financial crisis. No? Some of you dapat marunong ka makipag-communicate ng maayos. No? Ayusin mo yung pakikipag-transactions dahil kumbaga it's either lutang ka dito kaya siguro hindi mo rin naintindihan, no, yung mga sinabi sa'yo. Let's see. What is Sun card? Because the Ten of Wands. Hindi mo nakita kasi yung consequences or something outcome dito, no? So this is something the Nine of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups to represent something of wishful fulfillment. May mga bagay talaga na matutupad dito. Isa sa magsisilbing katuparan dito yung paglaya mo sa negatibo dyan sa paligid mo. What is the Queen of Pentacles? And the Star card represented with the Knight of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, magtiyaga ka, no? Sa ginagawa mo, sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Maging tahimik ka sa mga plano mo, sa mga gagawin mo. What is the additional outcome? No? Ngayong buwan na to, ang pinaka-outcome sa'yo is something the Nine of Cups. Proposal, promotions, no? Coming in for you. There's a lot of messages and phone call. There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted for the person. Meron ditong proposal for romantic, no? Romantic proposal. Let's see. And this is something the Five of Wands. Na may mga nagbibigay komplikasyon dito. May mga taong kumakalaban sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka. There's something competition. And there's the Moon card for truth reveal. Na malalaman mo na lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Na malalantad na. Let's see. What is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, represent what? Represent with a strength card. Confident. Kailangan mo lakasan ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. And the Queen of Swords, something clear the boundaries. No, linisin mo yung mga bagay o totoo sa paligid mo. Ibig sabihin dito, dapat dun ka sa legit, no, sa totoo. No, alisin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong sinungaling o manluloko o impostor. Na baka nagbabalat kayo lang yan, no? Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa finances, alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung totoo o hindi. Kailangan i-clear mo yan, no? Huwag ka magpapaniwala sa mga matatalinahagang salita. And there's a judgment for a wake-up call. No, pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. What is additional messages pagdating sa love life? There's a Three of Wands. So, naghihintay ka ng result, naghihintay ka ng travel, and there's an Ace of Cups with a new love coming in for you. May bagong pag-ibig talaga. And this is something the Four of Cups. Now, there's something to evaluate or analyze, getting to know each other. Heart-to-heart conversation. No? Kailangan mo makipag-communicate na maayos. About tayo sa health. Sa health mo, there's a Seven of Wands that you are being protected, no? Protektado ka naman daw. And this is something the Three of Cups, something celebration. Magiging maganda na ang inyong kalusugan. One more card, please. And there's a Magician for manifestation. Na magiging maganda at magiging maayos na yung kalusugan talaga dito. Protektado at ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo with a Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent with the stability and flow, talagang dadaloy na talaga yung magandang kapalaran sa iyo. There's a divine timing. So, see? There's a trust. So, kailangan mo magtiwala, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo in the perfect timing, there's a dream and message, no? Maraming mensahe sa iyo ang ating gabay sa panaginip mo. One more card, please. And this is something, guys, with a distance. Sabi ko na nga ba, kailangan mo dumistansya sa mga negativities, sa mga toxicities. And this is something, guys, with attraction, that you are being attracted to anyone. Or malakas yung atake mo, malakas yung charisma mo. Let's see what this synchronicities represent what. For synchronicities represent with winter. No, ngayong winter season, maaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. Especially with the spring. No, there's something blossoming. Maaring lalago at lalakas ang iyong finances. And this something parrot. Mag-ingat ka, no? From this parrot, no? Mayroon ditong madaldal na parang, or may mag-ingat ka, no? Sa pagbibigay ng mga impormasyon, baka magiging madaldal ka this time. Huwag ka nagtitiwala, may chismosa. What is the chakra messages? And there's a mysticism, guys, no? Maraming mystery sa paligid mo. Marami kang bagay na hindi pa lubos na nauunawaan. And there's something bittersweet, no? May paitatamis ng tagumpay. And there's a gratitude, just being thankful sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. For magical fairy messages, represent what? And there's a pregnancy, guys. So, some of you magbubuntis, no? Magkakaroon ng blessings and new beginning. And there's an emotional healing. So, magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing dito, guys, para magiging kalmado ka, magiging panatag na ang iyong kalooban, no? Lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, unti-unti na ma-relief yan, ma-release. Let's see what this is synchronicities. And there's something unexpected, no? Kumbaga may mga biglang pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo, and there's a home foundation na mas lalong pinatibay ang inyong tahanan. There's something heartbreak. Some of you guys, nagkaroon talaga ng betrayal and of course, pagsisinungaling at panloloko sa'yo dito. Ibig sabihin, huwag ka na magtiwala ulit. Excuse me, sa tao na yan. What is Archangel Michael messages? New beginning, fresh start. Magkakaroon ka ng bago simula at panibagong pag-asa. And you create the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa na para makalaya ka dyan. Diba? Ikaw yung gumawa niyan eh. No? Parang inabuso. Kumaga, masyado ka nagtiwala kaya yan inabuso ka. What is the romance angels? Finances and career. Malaking factor dito, guys, no? Yung career mo. Yung finances mo. And some of you guys, magkakaroon talaga ng engagement with a higher level of commitment. May proposal talaga, guys. Let's see what is the angel's answer. Angel's answer represent with compromise. Meron dito pinangako. No, meron talaga pinangako sa'yo dito. And this is something with the abundance. Magiging masagana na pamumuhay mo. No, at matutupad na yung mga pangako na to. And there's something perfect timing. Sige, di ba? Lahat ng mga bagay na ito maaaring ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Deserve mo daw to. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a crack open. Now, there's a surrender. Surrender mo yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi mo kontrolado. And this is something that is of the mental kasi potential. May potential ka. No, kaya mong i-manage at kaya mong baguhin yung mundong ginagalawan mo. And there's a deep cellular healing. No, physical and emotional. Magkakaroon ka ng healing dyan, guys. No? What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a discipline, guys. Kailangan mo ng tamang disiplina. And there's a blame, wala kang iba sisisihin, kundi talagang ganun talaga yung mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kailangan mo muna pagdaanan yun. Kailangan mo matuto. Kailangan mo maging tanga pa sa una, ganun talaga yun. What is additional messages? There's a powerful transmutation and purification na may mga bagay na lilinisin sa'yo. May mga bagay na aalisin sa'yo. And there's something problem solving. Bago mo masolusyon lahat ng mga problema mo at maging maganda ang takbo ng ikot ng kapalaran mo. What is the additional messages for Archangel Raphael? Exercise is the key. So, kailangan mo ng exercise din dito, guys. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And there's something infinite abundance. Magkakaroon ka talaga na walang humpay na kasaganahan. No? Dahil din sa pinatibay at pinalakas ka ng ating mga gabay. Dahil sa mga karanasan mo dito, no? Marami kang pinagdaanan. Guys, hindi ka lang binetray about sa love life, binetray ka rin about sa finances. Kumbaga, double talaga to. Kinombo ka eh. What is additional messages with an energy? And this is something a journey. Diba? Something a journey. na lahat ng mga bagay na to ay parte ng life purpose mo. And this is something man holding a coin. I women holding a coin. Some of you, if you are women, ikaw yung may hawak ng finances. If you are a man, yung person may marunong humawak ng finances. So let's see what is the mythology. Let's see what is the mythology. You and your loved ones are safe, no? Yung mahal mo sa buhay, safe naman daw. Diba? Let's see what is the Jesus loving quote said. A Jesus loving quote said, guys, be of a good comfort, your faith has made you whole. Bubuoin ka na lahat ng mga bagay na ayon sa pagtitiwala at paniniwala mo ng ating Panginoon, no? Kumbaga, hinubog ka dyan. Dahil sa mga karanasan mo, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, dyan ka hinubog ng iyong pananampalataya. Kaya, binibigay sa ng ating Panginoon ng buong buo, no? Ang kanyang, kumbaga, pananalig, ang kanyang, kumbaga, pagmamahal sa'yo. Let's see what is the additional messages with an angel's number. Angel's number represent what? 0440, the gut feeling. So, ibig sabihin, tama ang hinala mo, tama yung nararamdaman mo. Follow your gut. It's more than just a feeling. Be real with the people. And focus on the meaningful relationship. Remember, you also must bring value in the table. Treat others with respect or else. Karma will bite your ass. Diba? Kailangan mo makinig sa gut feeling mo. Kailangan mo makinig sa intuitions mo. Dahil hindi ka ililigaw ng ating mga gabay. No? Ituturo sa yung tamang landasin para malaman mo ang kahulugan, no, ng tiwala at paniniwala. No? Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, dahil sa pagmamahal mo, no? Dahil din sa katapatan mo sa Kanya, kumbaga, binigay mo lahat ng tiwala mo. Kaya yan, niloko ka, tinraidor ka. What is the messages of life? Beyond. Today, I lift my consciousness above all worldly illusion. I remember the power I have. Every situation, I always have a choice in how I respond. Today, I choose to turn my thoughts towards God by focusing my awareness beyond all my illusions of material world. I experience simplicity and peace. So, see, kumbaga, pinapakita sa'yo dito lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mamaranasan na magkaroon ng simple at magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa buhay. No? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong baguhin yung sitwasyon mo, kayang-kaya mong ibahin yung mga nararamdaman mo, at kayang-kaya mong baguhin ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. Tandaan, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo lang maging maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Dahil, kumbaga, naging ano ka dito no? Naging masyado kang obsessed or possessive pagdating sa love. Kaya yan, no? Ginamit ka, tinraidor ka, at niloko ka. So guys, ito ang bagay na to na kailangan mong matutunan na sa pag-ibig, no, kailangan balanse ka. No, wag mong gawing mundo ay dapat ay tao lang. No, so guys, this is the monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi natin makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!